nervous. I hope it's soon. Quite like to get there.
Get home.
Quite like to get there soon. Soon.
Soon.
Soon.
Just want to get home.
I just moved my bag over and put it on my seat, and no one will sit by me. The fleeting moments, the fleeting images, fleeting memories.
There's no point going to sleep because I'm just going to sleep through my stuff. I've got enough money to get back.
I'll ask the guard. They're usually really helpful.
Why do I always have to sit facing the direction that the train is travelling in?
No, I'm here now, and again up again, people are starting to look nice and sunny out. How am I eating dinner? Oh, did I remember to leave a note on the fridge?
Hope we don't pass over too many railway bridges. Not that fond of tunnels.
I want to be distracted by the space outside, the things that are passing by.
Nothing's changed. It's only been 3 weeks.
Filthy.
That man sort of keeps rubbing against my leg. I'm not
left
I'm
my
not keen on
mobile
that.
number though. Have I got in my bag? I said, oh, I'm worrying about him. Should have a sweet. Oh, good, I got sherbet lemons. Shall I move?
Why do they have the air conditioning up so high? It's stupid. I know it's warm outside, but it's not that warm.
Imagining playing in the gardens that pass, playing in the gardens that pass.
Start relaxing now and enjoy the journey.